What's up, guys? If you want to know what products I've been using and what methods I've been using to achieve my waves in 1 month and how I started achieving them, please keep watching to the end of the video to see what tips I show.
Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know you love.
What's up? It's your girl G.O.A.T, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you guys seen from the thumbnail and the title, you guys know I'm about to just go ahead and put y'all on to what I've been using for this past month of becoming a waver. So, you know, I started my wave journey on my birthday, which was May 31st. So might as well say my journey started on June 1st. It's been basically a month and a week. And also, if you guys have not noticed, I've been wolfing. So I have not got a haircut in a month and a half, almost. So this is how my wav's looking for right now. Okay. So it's been a rough journey, but we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So when I started my wave journey, I'm gonna insert some videos while I'm talking to let y'all know like how it looked when I first got my haircut, and ever since then I've been putting in work. Like I've brushed all day, every day, or might as well say I do like maybe 30-minute to an hour sessions. But the first tip, number 1, it's just brush. You have to brush. You have to brush because that's the main way of how you get your waves. If you don't brush, if you don't, you know, try to make sure you brush in the direction of the waves that you want it. When you take your do-rag off, when you about to put it on, however you guys do, I know everybody do it differently. Always get that brush session in, okay? Tip number 2. Always wear a do-rag. Don't ever go to sleep without a do-rag. That's the most essential thing. You put on a do-rag. You finna do a wash method, anything if you go to bed, because your waves, it's not gonna be hard to maintain them back up, but it's just the fact of your hair is sealing in that moisture. Your hair is trying to lay your waves down throughout the night, so you want to wear a do-rag, okay? Please. Tip number 3. You need some type of pomade. This is what I started using. You can get this from Walmart, a beauty supply store. I started using the Sporting Waves. Sorry. It's like it's grease. I mean, it's basically like grease. Smells good. You can tell that I've been using it, but I don't use it that much. I probably use it maybe like once or twice every week, if so, when I'm going to bed. But I don't use it that much because now I done invested in the G.O.A.T moisturizer and butter. So you guys need to go get his products, please. I've been using it, and this will last you a long time because you don't need that much. You have to think about your hair is very short. You don't need that much product on your hair to moisturize it and put enough product on it before you start brushing your hair. You need like he said, you need a dime size, like this much, and it can go a long way. Rub it in, spread it around your hair, and you straight. So I've been using this for a long time, and it has so much natural product, so many oils that you really don't need anything else. Like you can add something else, but you're just gonna be having a lot of product buildup. So I just suggest just using the moisturizer and the butter. If you just want to just use this, I'll put his link in my description box as well. Use this is from Main Choice. Sorry, it's about gone, but I use this as well. I don't use it as much, but I use it every now and then, and it smells great. This is when I had hair, because mostly I have a lot of products when I did have hair, so I basically just used the methods that I used when I was washing my hair, and then added it and applied it to when I started my wave journey. Step number 4, brush with a mirror. This is essential because you need to be able to see your crown. I had invested one of these. You can get this from Walmart. You can get it from a beauty supply store. A mirror, you can basically get that from Target, anywhere, store near you. Please brush, because when you brushing your hair and you doing your wash methods, anything like that, you have to see your crown. Your crown is essential, and it takes a while to get your crown how you want it to get it. My crown is okay for now, but it does need some work. But because I'm able to see my crown, I'm able to, you know, adjust it and brush in the way that I want my waves and my crown to go. So please invest of it. It's not that much. Invest in a mirror, a handheld mirror, okay? Step number 5. Please, when you're washing your hair, wash your hair in the shower, brush your hair in the shower. Well, mind you, you don't really even have to brush your hair in the shower. Your hair just needs to be wet. Because I had did a washing style. Go check that video out as well. A washing style, just wash your hair. Just get a spray bottle and just wet your hair. You can wash your hair out and just brush your hair while it's wet. That's really the main thing. I know a lot of people probably gonna be like, my brushes look so old. These don't look like no wave brushes. When you've been waving only for a month and you see results, you don't need an expensive brush. Now, not saying I'm not gonna get one eventually, because I am. I mean, I'm only in for a month, keyword a month, so I've got a lot of progress within that time. I'm gonna soon invest in some of the Toronto Pro brushes, if that's what you call it, or the 360 wave brushes soon, so you guys just stay tuned for that. But as far as right now, these babies have been through with me from hell and high waters, okay? I've been rocking with these since I started my wave journey, from a beauty supply store and from Walmart. So please don't let nobody tell you that you have to get the expensive brush to receive, you know, results in a minimum of time. That is not true, because as you guys can see, I've been waving for this long and I don't have no expensive brushes, like $4 or $5. Step number 6. Invest in a plastic bag. Now, when I tell y'all I felt like a plastic bag was so dumb, it is not. When you're done styling your hair, brushing your hair, a washing style, whatever you do before you do the plastic bag, the friction kind of helps lay it down. It lays your hair down, so when you put on a do-rag, it's gonna be flat. You will not have any frizziness. You won't have none of that. So always, before you put a do-rag on, finish off with a plastic bag. Step number 7. Now, I don't really use oils that much because I have so many moisturizers and pomades that I use, so my hair is already full of oils and moisturizers that I don't need to apply any more product. But if you guys do want to start off, or you don't have a pomade or anything like that, you can invest in a black castor oil. Because this oil is very thick, you don't need that much of that oil on your hair, and you don't have that much hair, so you just need like a dab, rub it, and spread it around, apply it. Okay guys, so I done put you guys on to my methods, the products I use, and what methods I use as well to try to achieve my waves in this 1 month that I've been in this wave journey. And as you can tell, at least in my opinion, I feel like I've been doing very good. I done got compliments from guys saying I done been waving more than them, so I'm doing something right. I hope you guys like this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.